Hey guys, welcome to my crib. First, we're gonna look at the living room. Right through here, very spacious. Then we're gonna come through here. See the dining room here. And then the small kitchen. And then we're gonna go over here. And we're gonna do...
Wait, show the outdoor area.
I thought you already showed that in your other...
Oh, I did actually, I think.
Well, we're gonna go outside again, anyways, and see the view, which is, of course, the best part of the place. Oceanfront. Now we're gonna head back in the house. That was a close one. We're gonna come over here, and we'll see this hall bathroom first. Very nice. Stand-up shower. Okay, we're gonna head into our first guest bedroom here, which is where Madeline is staying. And then we'll come and check out the bathroom in here. Oh.
The light's a little... Demonstrate the shower.
With the bath slash shower. Nice closet space right here with Madeline's cute little clothes. Okay, and then last we're gonna head upstairs and see the last bedroom, which is the master. So that's right up here. So you're gonna have your master bedroom here. Nice little sitting area with a great view of the ocean over in this little area. And then lastly, the master bathroom. So you're gonna be sitting here, and then your sink and shower and tub in there. And that's it.
We now just set up for all of, like, the bachelorette stuff, and we forgot to log it. We should have filmed it as a video montage. And Lauren's sitting right here. We're waiting for her friend Natalie, the other bridesmaid, to show up, and she should be here in like a few minutes. It's like 12:26. We did indeed get up at like 6 in the morning, so we're gonna have a very long day ahead of us because we're just trying to adjust to the time change. So here's what we set up, this like cute little banner. If you can see it, this is like Mrs. or Miss to Mrs. and then straws and some cute like photo props, and then this sash. And then I'll show you guys the view outside. It's really nice and really pretty. We went on a walk this morning for like 2.5 miles. So I will show you out here. It's really pretty, and it's probably can't hear me really good because of the wind. But it's like super pretty. It's like pretty rocky down there, so you have to walk to like the right side or the left side to go to like a sand beach. But it's really nice. And actually, before Natalie gets here, I'm going to show you the things that the maid of honor got us in our bag, and I'll have Lauren show you guys that. So I will take another video of that. Lauren's going to show you what Carly, the maid of honor, got everyone.
The first thing and most important thing, the champagne. And then some cute little sunnies.
That have hearts on them.
Yes. And then some hair ties for those of us that don't have super thin hair. And then these cute little hats that say Bride Tribe on them, and then mine says Bride. And then this little makeup bag, and in that is a ring float for your drinks, some sunscreen, some aloe vera, very important, and then this cute little cup with everyone's name on it.
And then show them the towel.
And then a monogram towel.
Super cute for everyone. Yeah. So we're just going to chill for a few more minutes till Natalie gets here. I'm sure that she'll be here soon. This might have to be a combined vlog with yesterday because I'm not sure that I filmed enough footage, but I'll see how much I have like tonight, and then I'm going to try to do a daily vlog the rest of the trip. So every single day we'll have another vlog so that I can put those on my YouTube channel, and I will try to vlog enough footage. Just sometimes it's really hard to do a lot of talking when there's nothing to talk about whenever we're like sitting at the ocean, because last year I didn't have a YouTube channel. I just like vlogged for fun. But update, I've hit a very low point in my life where I'm wearing the thingy around my neck pillow. So I can just fall asleep if I want to in the middle. We were left alone, so I guess this is what happens whenever we're left alone. Every one of these gates has like 4 million people in here. I'm like, why, bro?
Great. Bye. That's gonna be quality content.
Bye.
Bye.
Update, I've been alone for 5 whole minutes. I've eaten 3 pieces of banana bread. And now I'm going to wait in this massive Starbucks line to get water for my water bottle so I can take some melatonin.